Hello children, welcome to 4th standard English. Today our topic a lesson to save part 2.
Children, let us revise first part, a lesson to save. Okay. In this lesson, the little boy Amir on the way to the ground, he saw dirty thrown out a pit on the ground. He went near it, a small rabbit-like creature. Then Amir asked the creature, "Who are you? What are you doing in there?" Children, you knew. What is that? That is mole. Yeah. What did it say? The mole said, "I'm digging a burrow to catch the earthworm and save them for the winter." The boy excited. "How do you catch and save them?" like he asked. The mole said, "I dig one drop along the tunnel. When the earthworms cross it, they fall into it. Then after, I will bite and paralyze them and store in a tunnel to eat later." The boy asked, "How many earthworms will you store?" The mole said, "As many worms as possible." The mole said, "I don't have any time to waste. I must build a lot of worm drop." Then Amir saw a leaf moving. He went near it and saw a small ant. It's a small ant, but it was carrying a big leaf. He disturbed the ant, so the ant yelled, "Get out of my way." Children, did you get any idea? Why was the ant carrying the big leaf? Okay children, let's start second part. Why was the ant carrying that big leaf? Amir asked the ant, "Isn't it easy to eat and then go home?" The ant dropped the leaf and replied, "I am a leaf cutter ant." The ant is leaf cutter ant. Okay. The ant said, "I am collecting leaves for my colony." Children, do you know the ant can carry leaves that weigh nearly 20 times of its weight? Amir was so surprised. He asked, "Do you eat leaves?" The ant replied, "No, we do not eat leaves. We drink the leaf sap." Children, do you know the meaning of sap? Sap means plant fluid. Plant fluid. Okay. The ant did not eat leaf. It drinks only the leaf sap. Then the ants use the leaves to grow fungus. They need the fungus to feed their babies. They also store the leaves for the winter. Okay. The ant asked, "By the way, do the humans save the food that you need?" Amir replied, "Yes, we also save food in granaries." Children, do you know we save food in granaries, but we need money to buy it. So we usually give importance to save money. Children, we must give importance to save money. Then the ant asked the Amir, "Don't you have anything other than money to save?" Few minutes Amir thinking, and then he said, My mom asked me to save water, food, electricity, forest, and fuel. Children, we must save water, food, electricity, forest, and fuel. Children, we have a lot of things to save to make sure that future generations can use these. These interactions with the mole and the ant changed the way Amir thought about the things around him. Earlier, Amir let the fan run as he left the room. He left the water drip as he never closed the tap tightly. Now, he always care and save the resources around him. Children, I hope you also always care and save the resources around yourself. Okay, children, let's see the glossary. Digging, break up and move earth. Traps, enclosure designed to catch and retain animals. Paralyze, incapable of movement. Sap, plant fluid. Let's see the exercise. Say whether the statements are true or false. Amir left the tap open early. It's true, okay. Amir switched off the fan when he walked out. It's false. Third one, moles trap worms and store them. Yeah, it's true. Leafcutter ants grow fungus. Yes, this also true. Amir realized his mistakes. True. Check your answer, children.
Thank you, children. We will meet in the next video.